Hey guys, what's up? It's Nick from your game design class with a vlog about Blender. And Blender is a character design and its own game engine for games. And there's a lot of stuff that we used. It's a very complicated, but it's got its slight curve, and once you get that curve down, you can go ahead and master it and build anything you want, really. And it's able to be imported onto Unity. So, I'm going to go ahead and show you some of the things that you'll see when you first open it up for the first time and give you some of the basics. So, when you open it, you'll see this one cube, which is on this grid. Grid is the play field, so to speak. Now, you can go ahead and move the cube around by touching its arrows of the green, which is the X, Y, and Z axes, red, blue, two. And then you can also go ahead and translate, which you can move more so, like this. And bring back here. Then rotate. You can go ahead and change its rotation. Obviously, it does rotate. And I'm just going to set it back like this. Then you could also scale, which is change it to really, really small or really, really, really big. I'm going back to this. And now you can also go ahead and duplicate it, which creates another block. I'm just going to go ahead and put it right here. And you can go ahead and change the shading, smooth. This is a little bit different of a shader. Kind of just changes how it looks mostly. And then if you go over here, you have some shading tools, and you have tile scale, which should change something. I don't know what changes yet. There's also the resolution and the frame rate. Right now, it starts off with 24, but you could have it like any of these at 60 frames, like really good games. Or you could go ahead and just, up it, which I doubt any computer can handle. And time remapping, yeah. And then there's the camera. See, this is the camera, if you didn't notice before. So you can go ahead and change where the camera is. And you can go up here, get a higher angle, get a lower angle, move more to the right, whatever you want. And then you have lamp, which can go ahead and change lighting. This is all pre-built. Most people just see the cube and nothing else. This is all pre-built stuff. Cube 001. Okay, I built that one. This is the original one. World. I'll show you the rest of the things. This is in all scenes. And this can go ahead and restrict viewpoint visibility and selection and all sorts of other stuff. If that's restriction wise and non-restriction. If you wanted to undo something or move it back like that, redo, and then repeat last, whatever you want. Now, you can go to File, you can go ahead and see the previous one that you made, save copy, link, import, export, which you can export to Unity 3D actually, which is what we'll be using. Now, there's also some other stuff as well. And there's game logic, motion tracking. This is more of the scripting that you use in-game. Well, actually, making the game, I should say. Blender, render, Blender game. And this can go ahead and change some of the things you'll see in full screen and non-full screen. This is the standalone player, start, error, there's no player. So you'll have to go ahead and make a player, which sucks. Now, this is a really cool thing. You go to object mode, you can go to edit mode, which can go ahead and change all since in sculpt mode. You can go ahead and change textures. I'm sorry, I'm running out of time, so I'm not going to go through all this. Vertex, weight, all sorts of stuff. It's a very useful tool, in my opinion. And let's see. There's some other stuff. And you could go ahead and alter the scenes here. And then you can go over here, I think. Yes. 3D view. And you get more of it. 3D view like that. There's something else in here, I think. Yes, no, no. Add. This is the cool part. If you hit 3D mode, then it goes to this. Now you can go ahead, add circle. It really doesn't do anything. And meatball. This is going to be able to be moved around, such. But then you can also access text, which you can go ahead and create. And you need to probably rotate if you want to be able to see. Sure, we'll have it like that. And then there's some other features with that. You can go over here and you can find out how to type in stuff. And let's see, latest camera. The camera's here. This is the camera for the text. So if you wanted to switch to an object's viewpoint, you could go there. This would be great for actually trying to get a character's point of view. And that's all I'm going to show you. I hope you liked this video, and there's lots of tutorials if you need any, for creating characters, creating cars. They take a couple hours, and it's got a very difficult learning curve, but once you have it mastered, I'm sure you can go ahead and build a lot of cool stuff other than that ball. So, thank you.